Family. Well, this pandemic has put stress on some people's pocketbooks to the point where they can't afford to pay their mortgage. But experts at one credit union, well, they're surprised that fewer people are asking for help. Making a mortgage payment when you're out of work is one of the biggest stresses many have had to deal with during COVID. People have had the option of deferring or skipping their payments. Now, keep in mind, back in 2008, when the economy took a steep turn into the Great Recession, there were many takers. This time, it seems different.
Out of 1,128 of our owners' mortgage loans that we actually service, only 10 requested deferments.
That's Carma Peters, CEO of Michigan Legacy Credit Union. Only 10 of their members opted for deferments. Fannie and Freddie gave homeowners the option of 3 missed payments.
But then they had to pay all of it in the 4th month. As we looked at it and got together with my leadership team, we're like, this is not going to help people that are impacted by this. If you can't make a payment now, we're not sure you're going to be able to make it in 4 months.
The credit union reached out to every person who was in financial trouble because of the pandemic. Back in 2008, no matter what they tried, things were dire.
In 2008, we would just get keys and people walked away. Well, they have equity in their home now, so that affords them a little bit of a cushion to work with to make a difference this time around for a short term.
So the Michigan Legacy Credit Union figured out a plan with its members who were struggling.
We gave them 60 days of no payments and put it on the end and said, when your payroll resumes, let us know when your income starts back up and we can recast that payment so that you're not paying a whole bunch of additional interest and your mortgage payment isn't extended. Because as you know, if they're skipping 3 months payments, there's a lot of interest that they're going to pay more than just those 3 months they're skipping.
Nationally, this isn't the case. There are a large number of homeowners who are taking advantage of the mortgage forbearance program, but it's still not a huge number like we saw in 2008.
Through the mortgage crisis, 7 million homeowners lost their homes due to foreclosure. Right now, only 2.6 million homeowners remain in forbearance. So that's significantly lower than 2008.
Another reason for the cooperation, experts say the pandemic has created a much less adversarial relationship between bankers and borrowers because there's a sense of community because of COVID that reminds bankers that we're all in this together.